Meaning of Henry Miller.
Henry Miller.
Henry Miller.
Henry Miller.
Henry Miller. Henry Miller was an American writer and painter who was widely regarded as one of the most influential writers of the 20th century. His works were often considered controversial due to their explicit sexual content and anti-establishment themes. Miller's most famous work, Tropic of Cancer, was banned in the United States for over 30 years. Despite this, he gained a cult following and became known for his unique writing style that blended autobiography and fiction. Today, Miller's legacy lives on as a symbol of free expression and artistic freedom.